Hey guys, today I received this LED head-based light that has a power of 160 wattage for reviewing purposes. So let's take it out of the box. You can place it wherever you need it in your garage or anything. We get the user manual with all important information about this lamp, how to install it, to connect it. You can connect it and use it with a dimmer switch, which I think that it's nice. You get that option, and this is the proper main unit. Okay, and here we have the power cord, which it's quite heavy, which we can cut so we can just plug it in into the electricity directly, or use it like this with a wall plug. And in here we get the main switch operation. Okay, and we also get a hook so we can hang it, a hook with a cable, as you can see. That way you can ensure that it's level. And in here we get the proper main hook, which comes in here. Okay, we can secure it with a screw right here. This goes this. Okay, as you can see, we just place it upon a beam or anything where we're gonna use it. Okay, and in here we get this place that we can open it, this, and we got the wattage selection. Okay, we can go from up to 80 watts up to 160, as I've said, which I think that it's nice that you get that option to select it. I'm gonna leave it at 120, like a medium power. Okay, and well, let's go ahead and place it upon our search area to see how it looks. Okay, come on. Okay, I'm right here where I'm gonna place it. I'm gonna go ahead and climb through in here so I can place it right here. Okay, that way I am sure that it ain't gonna fall. I'm gonna go ahead and hide this cable, and this is the main power cord, as I've said, which is the one that I'm gonna connect to this outlet. Okay, as you can see, it's ready. And what I like about this lamp is that it's really easy to set up. If you just want to have it connected into the power outlet, you can do it. If you want to wire it, you can do it. And if you want to use the dimmable switch, you can do it. As you can see, it's really bright, and that way I can see this area completely. And when I'm stopped using it, I can just turn off the power strip or unplug it from the power strip, which I think that it's really easy. That way we can get light in this area really quickly. And overall, because it's really nice, it feels of an amazing quality. I will really recommend it. It's great, it's easy to use, and I think that it's gonna be perfect to use it in your storage, in your warehouse, or wherever you need it. It's IP65 waterproof rated, so it can be outdoors, and if you just need it for, I don't know, a barbecue outside your house or any kind of event, you can place it, and it has a wide angle of lighting, which I think that it's great. Overall, as I've said, I will really recommend it. See you guys.